having that daily lights coming in from above, it adds so much extra to the room. I'm Sune Nicolajsen. I'm a general manager for Panamal Studios in the US. So Panamal was founded back in 2015. It's founded and based in Copenhagen. Now we're here almost 10 years later. We have 7 stores around the world. We sell in more than 150 wholesale doors. We're pretty much a community-based brand. I think that's a part of like the whole brand DNA that we feel is a little bit stronger than others. So we saw the effect of the VELUX Skylights in Copenhagen and wanted to take this and bring it overseas as well to do the same in the US. So now we're sitting in the store, we'd have like new installed skylights, and you definitely see the difference from before and after. So it's so much brighter, it gives like a whole new life to the store. Even like you see the color on the jerseys even better than you do before. It's more true. So have the opportunity to open the windows sometimes, especially in the warmer days of San Francisco. It's actually giving like a better climate inside, and like it feels more comfortable for people to actually go try on clothing if it's not too hot. So that actually helps a lot to grow our sales and do better customer service. I think there's definitely a natural fit between the two brands of Panamal and VELUX. Mostly because we both catering to the same people. We want people to explore the fresh air, even though it's inside an office or on home, or it's out on the bike. In overall, we have the two same synergies between the brands, that we're catering to the same people. I think now we have a more welcoming space. We have a space that people really want to spend time. In overall, I think it adds on a lot to our store. I don't think I can have a house in the future without a skylight, because I've seen how much extra I've done to all the spaces that we built skylights in.